Hello everyone, I'm Amit Jain, partner and head of IBS Intelligence, and I also lead the Cedar-IBSi FinTech Lab. This is our marketplace initiative designed to help FinTechs and BankTechs accelerate market participation, especially across the Middle East and the Asian markets. In my recent article titled Mastering Market Entry in New Markets, I spoke about the importance of partnerships and the importance of successful partnerships. Partnerships can significantly help organizations fast track their entry into growth, especially when it comes to new markets. When expanding into newer markets or newer regions, organizations usually have these three choices in front of them: either entering directly, or forming a joint venture, or then building strategic partnerships. Each approach has its own pros and cons, but partnerships often provide the quickest route to meaningful traction in new markets. Back in 2015, 2016, banks in the Middle East were asking us to connect them with credible fintechs because many players at that point in time were either short-lived or lacked substance. And at the same time, these fintechs, were asking us to connect them with banks, given Cedar's strong market presence. That's the whole reason why we set up the Cedar-IBSi FinTech Lab in 2017, 2018. Putting together both Cedar and IBS and leveraging our 70 years of experience and expertise in these markets, right? So the lab is a joint initiative of Cedar, which is a Forbes listed global strategy firm, and IBS Intelligence, the world's only pure play financial technology and research advisory firm. So our mission to provide fintechs with a fast track soft landing to access the Middle East opportunity for financial technology and banking technology. So the lab's offerings are global, multifaceted, and tailored for fintechs across various stages and shapes and sizes. We have four key pillars on which our offerings are based. The first being market access and collaboration. Entering the Middle East market effectively means leveraging established relationships. We provide direct access to decision makers within banks, significantly cutting down the lead times to or helping them build faster traction with the decision makers, right? We organize bankers roundtables, we do some corporate introductions, and expert knowledge sharing sessions which make the collaboration pretty seamless. Market intelligence and strategic insights is a second pillar, right? A successful go-to-market strategy, in my view, requires deep market knowledge, right? And this is our core strength. This is IBSi's core strength. Lab members gain access to our proprietary market intelligence platform called the Galaxy. They have access to some industry reports, and they have access to some subject market experts to answer critical and very specific questions. The third is visibility and brand building. We help position our lab members as thought leaders, get them a chance to showcase and demo their solutions in front of the decision makers, and connect them with those industry leaders at our Cedar-IBSi FinTech Summits. Thereby, we are providing multi-channels for you to boost your visibility and enhance brand build. Lastly, acceleration and capital access. We go beyond market entry. We support the fintech and the banktech's growth through the Cedar-IBSi Capital, our early stage tech venture fund. In my view, strong partnerships are the foundation for a successful market entry. It's not just about having a great product or a very, very strong proposition. It's about being part of an ecosystem. And at the Cedar-IBSi FinTech Lab, we work with 60 plus global fintechs and banktechs and they are helping them or help them in learn, partner, and accelerate. Right. In my next session, I'll share with you some real world use cases, and I will also invite some of our lab members, global lab members, to share their experiences and how they've leveraged the Cedar-IBSi FinTech Lab to accelerate their market participation in the Middle East market. So stay tuned and see you soon.